We started the tear down. We got the interior out of the car and all the glass out. We sent it downstairs to the body shop.
Oh, that's splendid right there. Yeah, that's in the Dunlop.
As they were jacking the front of the car up, and the wheels were off the ground, I noticed there was excessive play in the kingpin.
The other side's worse than this side.
Huh.
That side's worse than this side. But that's where we're at. So
I didn't want to disable the car in the body shop. We waited till it came back upstairs. Brand new bushings in the spindle. Had to have new kingpins made. The old ones, there was too much variation in the shaft up and down, you know. So he says he would just make new ones, which is great because my movement that way is good, but so we made these little shims. I already have the original shim in there. This is just to take up the difference. Get everybody lined up here. That's all rebuilt. Everything, all the tolerances are very, very good now.